Caucasian. Like how they make them peas fly. He with them Asians. I'm in it for the long ride, no hesitation. I've been here for a long time for being famous. I wake up every day, I swear to God I make a play. They lining up for nuggets like this shit is Chick-fil-A. I'm scoring all these buckets like I'm in the NBA. And if you wanna
ARP, baby.
All the trans fluid, baby.
Alright. This is what we're doing today. We're out here working on this S10 pizza truck, as you can see, Domino's.
What do you got? Black? Yeah, you got black top.
Drag tires, bunch of rubber on the back.
Pizza time.
Replacing the fuel cell.
Pizza time. It's pizza time.
Pizza, pizza. Nice new trailer with solar setup and all, but this is what she got in her.
Yeah, so I'm saying, hop in the back.
It's not in the back. It's under the back. Holy shit!
You gotta get underneath.
I know.
Clean ass inside too. And our next project for today.
Disney boost, that's right.
Panda.
I guess supporting other mods.
Yeah, not much. I mean, this motor blew up after 2 years at 1,200 horsepower, wheel horsepower. So it holds for a while. If I can find some zip ties.
Cutting the exhaust off right now, basically. Nice ass rotors and shit. We're gonna take the hood off. We're gonna pull the motor and trans. Alright, so we just pulled the exhaust and the drive shaft. And we unbolted the trans. We're about to pull the hood, pull the motor and the trans up out of there. Might have to take the front bumper off. Y'all will see. Since it's got an auto trans in it now, we put the shifter. Got it. They put the shifter in the old cup holders and then had a cup holder that fits a Wawa cup perfectly, 3D printed for where the old shifter was. So it's still able to go back to manual if you wanted.
Give me a grab it.
Come on, that's it. There we go. Alright, so just hang this off your side. So
Shit shattered like glass.
Yeah, buddy.
AC shit just got unhooked. We about to pull it.
Big money, yeah.
Other ARP, baby.
All the trans fluid, baby.
Alright,
So
Sucks with that punch stuff. Not like a sharp piece of metal.
this time, you know. I'll put it on top of the trash can. We should put it on top of the trash can and make a meme.
what you do with a Yodi. We're over here with Pizza and Panda. We just put a different TH400 and torque converter in this Turbo LS. This is the TH400 that we pulled out of that. Yes, it is. Built TH400s. That one's a little bit more built and has a better torque converter set up for the Turbo LS in the pizza truck. But you guys might recognize Panda, which is what TH400 was bolted up to the 5.0 Coyote. Been featured on 1320 a couple times and all.
The exhaust on this side makes it sound badass. But I'm pumping it.
It's definitely, your window down is definitely better for the experience.
does its thing.
That was without it even making boost. It actually launched. It didn't really hit the tires hard until it came into boost. Some big old 11s down here. We did a dead stop launch. It didn't get up on the tip here. Converter needs different gears. Exactly what it'll make at 0 seconds off of when you floor it. So it has a timer on it. Yeah, but it also works for like the roll. That's why it was so smooth on the roll. And once it hits 13, it slowly climbs up, you know what I mean? Yeah, I mean it could honestly be like fill up by 2s or 3s maybe.
It might be like, what are we thinking? At least another 80 horsepower. At least.
Oh yeah.
At least.
Pizza Truck, want you guys to know that we do not own Pizza Truck. We don't own any rights to the livery. We don't own none of the branding, none of the copyrights, none of that, nothing. Not ours. It's just a job we did.
They keep calling, they still want it. I make moves, yeah, I be on it. I can't lose, that's why I go all